Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Oh yeah, no, that's an awesome little mini cake.
Have a different.
What is it?
No, you lighting them.
I'm lighting them. Look, you gonna be scared to light them? Huh? No.
No, she's lighting.
Okay, yes.
No.
Yeah.
30 apiece. I'll do you 2 of them.
Oh no.
All right, this Mobile Menace is fantastic. It gives you 5 different variations of fireworks popping, screamers, rainbows, and then it does a big finale at the end. You're gonna really like this.
Hazel, you gonna be scared?
It's 4th of July. Where the 4th of July?
It's for the period.
These are metal, so they do get hot. That's what the problem with them. This is the color. This is the gold light. These are our wooden ones that do a little bit better. They don't get hot and burn. And then obviously you can have the kids hold them here as they get them lit,
Right.
and as they burn, stay away from
Get
them.
them those things.
Yeah, these are the ones I prefer for kids because they're better. These right here, they're kind of sharp. So let's get it rang up, and then I can see what I can do for you to help you get a good deal here.
Okay. We so appreciate it.
Absolutely. We appreciate you coming and staying and shopping with us. Like I said, our customers what makes a difference for us. So we love it. Wish you guys came back.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Alright. So these are 20 only. I gave you these for free.
Hold on. Hey y'all, what's up? So as y'all know, yesterday was 4th of July, and hopefully y'all had a good, safe 4th of July. But y'all, I can't end 4th of July without pulling a prank on my brother. I'm gonna put the smoke bomb in his room. Him and my cousin is currently up there dancing right now, so they don't really know what's going on. I'm gonna try to set my phone up so I can record it, but we gonna see. I already know EJ gonna try to run out his room, but I'm gonna be blocking the door. Anyways, y'all stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. So right now I'm in my brother's room.
Going 3, 2, 1.
I like this.
And then we got us another good.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it's your turn.
The difference from moving.
Oh, wait. Don't stop on this corner, don't stop on the box.
I'm trying to do that.
Huh? It's not that hard. The first part, you go like this. You go like, roll with it. There you go. There you go.
Let me see if they do it.
It's not really that hard. It's not that hard. He can't do it. If he
I
don't
can't
wanna
do that
it. Yeah. Oh, I got the ball. Stop talking, man.